Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to export a website backup from Hostinger. Alright, let's begin. First, log in to your Hostinger H panel. Once inside, go to the websites section and find the site you want to back up. Click on Dashboard next to it, then scroll down the left menu and select Backups. Here, you'll see two options, downloading your website files and downloading your database. To export your website files, go to the Restore and Download tab and select Files Backups. Choose the backup date that suits your needs, then click Download Files. Hostinger will prepare a compressed archive of your website, and once it's ready, click the Download button to save it locally. Next, to export your database, go to the Database Backups section. Select the database linked to your site, pick the date you want, and click Download Database. Hostinger will generate a compressed SQL file that you can download directly. So that's basically how you can export a website backup from Hostinger. That's it for this video. Thanks.